Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depends on the time you are watching this video. Okay, so guys, this is my okra. I just brought it out from the fridge, so I'm cutting the head because I do not like the mouth. It's not neat, so I cut my hand, guys. I've already washed this okra. So that you will not come and tell me, oh, you don't wash the okra. I washed it off camera. Okay, there are a lot we do behind the scene. So this is me using my mortar to pound this. Okay, a lot of people find this mortar interesting, like so beautiful. A lot of people actually ask me where I got it from. I didn't buy it. When we rented this apartment, I saw it here. Okay, so this is me putting my oil, but you can get that mortar, even the bigger one. If you watch my vlog that I was stranded, I was looking for somebody to carry me. I showed you guys in the vlog, right? So this is me bringing out my black fish, like my fish. It's called a bavaria. So, and I just remove like 3 pieces inside. So this is my okra. So I'm just putting the okra inside. Okay, I want to mix okra and ogbono together. So this ogbono, I love the ogbono so much because immediately I just pour it inside, it just started drying. I put a little bit of water. This pot is so small, but this is not the pot that you can use to cook this kind of food. It's for you to fry, but my coconut head will not allow me to carry another pot. Okay, so this is me slicing fresh pepper. Yes, I use fresh pepper. I'm using one that they have fish because I don't want the fish to be too much because the pot is already full already, but I don't want to change the pot. Yeah. So that's the one that I'm keeping. The one aside. So I'm just putting the fish inside. So let's wash this thing. So I have some dirty plates here that I use in cooking and all that. I'm going to wash it after cooking. So this is me just cleaning where I cut the fish. This is my crayfish. Guys, you know I shared this crayfish into 2. The bigger one is there. This is the smaller one. I use one Maggi, to cook my soup because I've already used one before to boil the meat. So I'm not that type of person that normally use too much of Maggi. I don't use too much of Maggi to cook at all. Okay, so I just put my black fish, a bavaria. Oh my god, come and join me, guys. My food is ready. Obi is already home, so I don't know. I like to cook 9 minutes before Obi comes because I don't want him to start warming the soup again inside the microwave. I just like it when he comes back from work, the food will be ready. We just eat. Okay, so this is me turning this thing. That man they look me when I did turn this thing. It's not nice, it's not good. So just turning it. After then I didn't eat too much because I've already eat sandwich in the morning. Okay, I did a video. If you have not watched it, go and watch how I made the sandwich bread. Okay, so this is my soup. Very demure, very mindful, very cutesy, very sticky. Guys, come and join me. So this is me showing you guys that the food is ready. So I tell you guys, I didn't eat much. Just watch. I did not edit this part of the video. Just watch. This is where I was eating. You can count how many times I put this thing inside my mouth because I've already eaten. So Obi was just enjoying himself and all that. So I ate only fish and I left the rest for Obi. I don't know why my meat is always much than the soup. Okay. So thank you so much for watching. Bye.